Yeah, drive the S2000. Woo!
Hell yeah.
This thing's nasty.
Isn't it sick?
Awesome, man. Awesome.
Eric here's a big fan of my restoration job. Not quite done, but
Too soon, Junior.
yeah. That license plate's taken in all 50 states. Do you know that?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, no, not surprised. It's not surprising.
Now, people put the newer Honda engines in these that's called the K series from the Civic SI.
Okay.
So I was thinking about getting the license plate S2K swap.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah.
That's good. Driving the S2000 for the first time. Super smooth. I haven't driven a stick shift in a while, so I'm gonna turn here, do a little off-roading.
Hell yeah.
Off-roading the S2000 coming up soon.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna give it a good go.
I want to see your VTEC reaction.
Let's see here. Give this guy a little bit more room. Oh, thank you, sir. Woo! There it is. Not bad.
Not bad at all. Yeah.
It'll get the job done.
Yeah. Beautiful day out too, isn't it?
That's awesome, man. Awesome. Here in beautiful Tequesta.
Yeah, man.
If you're ever in Tequesta, come get some good Mexican food. Rancho Chico's.
Gotta ask for Eric though.
Ask for Eric. I'll hook you up.
Yeah.
You're either get hooked up or you're gonna get really drunk.
Yeah. Oh, the margaritas are lethal, man. I love it.
Oh, this is awesome, man. Thank you again for letting me drive.
My pleasure, man. Anytime. When I bring my black one down here, I want to see your opinion, see which one you like better.
All right.
Hell yeah.
Sweet, man.
What year was your WRX?
It was 2012.
Oh, okay. Newer.
Yeah.
I was
thought
thinking,
the clutches on them are so loose.
Mm-hmm.
It's weird to get an actual clutch that's so responsive. You see, S2000, everybody has to, let you go first.
Oh, hell yeah.
The beauty has to go in first. Oh, man, they took it.
Yeah.
Well, now I'm driving the truck, so it's completely different.
Oh, the Chevy?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Thanks, Eric. Thanks for letting me film you, too.
Absolutely, man. Good luck. Can't wait for what's going to happen next with this thing.
Appreciate it, buddy.